Let's make Thin Mint cookies. Add 3/4 cup of softened butter to a bowl and mix. Then add 1 cup of sugar and mix those together. Scrape the sides of the bowl as needed. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract, and 1 large egg, and then mix until combined. Scrape the sides of the bowl and mix again. In a separate bowl, add 1 1/2 cups of flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and mix with a sifter or whisk. Add the dry ingredients to the other bowl, a little at a time until all mixed in and a dough forms. Shape the dough into a ball and then divide it in half. Roll out each half on a sheet of parchment paper, cover and chill for 1 hour. Cut out several circles and place on a sheet pan lined with parchment paper or a silicone baking mat. Bake the cookies at 350 Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius for 8 to 9 minutes. Melt about 12 ounces of chocolate and add 1/4 teaspoon of mint extract. Dip each cookie in the chocolate. Leave as is or drizzle a different color of chocolate on top. Let the chocolate set. Enjoy. Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.